Welcome back to Happy Geek Lecture. This is the third session in sequence for SCD Type 1 and Type 2 demos. So here we were just discussing about SCD Type 1, when we inserted the data from the state table to my dimension table. Okay, for SCD Type 1, so this is how output looks like. Now let's say there are certain updates into this existing. What will happen in SCD Type 1? What is going to happen in SCD Type 2? So let's say the prices have slashed down. In case of SCD Type 1, if the prices are increased or decreased. So right there, let's just quickly run the category search first. So the transaction date is 2015, so I will give it as 2015. Okay, so let's say it has been changed on 30th. Okay, so let's run this quickly. One row effective. Now if I run this, so you see the stage table is not maintaining history. It has directly updated the new value and with the new transaction date. Okay, the previous transaction date was 25th. Now it has been updated with 30th. Alright, this is how it is going to work. Now if I update my dimension table, so in dimension table, whatever date I passed here is going to be saved. So again, if I run this, this is again going to, okay, I've selected not in. I have to give it as product ID in, because this now we have already run the process once, so product ID already exists. Now 3 rows are affected. So if I run the category dimension, it shows me the new date. Okay, so certification 1 and 3, this has been inserted. This was the previous one, right? And now this is the new record. We don't need to run it again, we just need to run this one actually, right? So let me truncate it in this dimension first. So this is a truncated delete if you type 1 as well, right? So let's run this. Okay, not in. Now I will say not in. So as soon as I run not in, it is going to add all the 3 new rows. And if you see the category stage and category dimension, they look alike, right? Whatever is in my new table, it's got updated in this table with the transaction date on which you are scheduling your job or on which you are running your retail process. Or if you want, you can keep this wherein you will need to pass the value, this date value, into this variable or parameter. Okay, this is about type 1. Now talking about type 2, wherein we are maintaining the history. So we need to add, firstly we need to add 2 columns in the category dimension. So here I'm going to add the 2 columns. Right now we don't have any this start date and end date. So I've added the 2 columns. Let's just select it. So we need to update these values, start date and end date. So how are we going to update? We need to run the insert process. So insert into category dimension, category ID, name, price, transaction date, discount applied. Here this is missing, discount applied, and then start date, 1 second, category ID, category name, category price, and then we have transaction date, discount applied, and then in the